A secret of dermatologist has leaked. Thanks to this, she has the most beautiful feet in the world. Numerous people take care of their whole body, but they forget their feet. However, dry and cracked feet are extremely unappealing and unpleasant, and can often cause great pain. Therefore, your feet are of great importance to the rest of your body and seek proper treatment. That is, our feet are subjected to great pressure and weight during the day, so we are often too tired and damaged. However, today we are going to reveal a method to treat them properly and provide the special attention that your feet deserve. What's more, this procedure is completely inexpensive, so you can forget about the expensive pedicure treatments at the spa, and still get the same or even better results. This natural recipe will relax and treat your feet, and remove all dead skin. Therefore, afterwards, your feet will be prepared for your new sandals. Instructions: 1. Heat 2-4 cups milk, add 5 tablespoons of oats and 5 tablespoons of coconut oil. Then soak the feet in this mixture for 5 to 10 minutes, then add a little baking soda and rub well, to make the exfoliation more effective. 2. Next, just rinse your feet with warm water and apply a little moisturizer on your feet. The effects will surprise you. Benefits of milk on the skin. Its milk can work wonders on the skin, moisturizes dry skin, exfoliates mature skin, soothes irritated skin and clears dark skin. There are many extraordinary benefits of skin milk. Milk is truly a healthy moisturizer that has unaltered water, fats and proteins, which can replenish the natural moisturizing factors lost on the skin, especially on dry skin types.